Had this vicious pit bull that nearly jumped up and snatched me off the fence. Welcome back, everybody. Today is Saturday. It's nap time. That's when I go do my Saturday jobs. I try to keep it to 1 hour, maybe 2. Today, I'm hoping it's 30 minutes. This is my only tool that I'm bringing. What does the handyman do on a Saturday? Come along for the ride. I'll show you my 30-minute repair, $100. It's a rental house in a very high-end, gentrified neighborhood. What in the world is going on? We haven't put the tool trailer on camera in a very, very long time. I'm in here to look for some hardware. Let's see here. What do we got? Anything up here that's jumping out at me that's gonna work? Let's see here. I have to Ooh, I like these. This is the drawer we need to be in right here. I need some short lags. Short lags that are not self-tapping. Man, you can hang a lot with that sucker. Cruising in the new limited edition Longhorn. Got 3,600 miles on it. Just got back from about a 1,500 mile road trip, hunting trip. After we do this repair, we have to go look at an apartment building roof. We got an estimate for $55,000 to repair one section of the roof. It's handy. I know you're a wizard. I know you understand the game. Figure out a solution to get me 5 to 10. 5 to 10 years. I said, well, okay, well, I'll go take a look at it. But it can't be anywhere near $55,000. All right, so I'm going to come up with maybe a $5,000 repair. This is all theoretical in my brain. $5,000 repair that'll buy them 5 to 7 years. 10 years, that's a long time. Who the heck knows what happens in 10 years? Probably going to take a proper roofing repair or a new roof to get you a decade. But I could probably get you 7 years for $5,000. Stay tuned for that. That'll be the second phase of my Saturday afternoon. All right, we are now pretty deep into the same territory. And you might be wondering, so what do you do to protect yourself when you have to go deep into sanctuary areas? So I carry 3 things. Start off with some bear spray and then some Fox 5.3. Gotta have these. That's when the plus P comes out. I gotta jump the fence to get into the backyard. That'll be interesting. I'm gonna make one last check. I do have a garage door opener for this house, but I think it's in my workshop. Like I said, I just moved into this truck not long ago, and all my kind of routine keys and garage door openers that are normally in my truck, I think they're in a bucket in my workshop. So we're gonna hop the fence. The tenants are out of town. Hello, just fixing the gate.
Oh, awesome. That's good.
But that one wasn't too bad. Basically just had to screw the fence gate back on, and I even was able to shut it and latch it on the other side. Very interesting gate. Not sure how it works. It separates the apartment backyards. I came up over the fence, and the neighbor was laying out, getting a suntan. Hello everybody, just wanted to jump in real quick and let you know about my second YouTube channel. I'm uploading maybe every week if I can. I'm shooting for 3 times a week among the 4 YouTube channels. So I'll put a link in the description box and in a pinned comment to my new channel called Too Much Handyman. You can find a lot of repairs that aren't quite home improvement, but might be interesting to you. Check that out in the description and the first pinned comment. Had this vicious pit bull that nearly jumped up and snatched me off the fence. The next stop, I got to get my ladder out, go on the roof, and take some measurements for my $5,000 repair. Well, we'll see if it's a $5,000 repair. I will see you on the roof. All right, this is not the roof. This is a neighboring roof that I'm looking at to see what their repair job was. And it looks like it's just flashing. Glued down. See, this is just flashing that you can buy at the store. It wasn't lapped correctly, so the downhill you want on top of the next downhill. So this must have been this landlord special. But I think it actually would work. I was thinking of making a full cap that goes up and over. I'll have to measure. You can see they glued down a second layer. And this one here, this white is original. This is just sealed over. And then this is repair that went on top. That's a nice addition. I didn't see that the last time I was up here. Same with this one, nice addition. And then there is this old one right here. You can see this roof, same as that roof, just not sealed. So eventually we're going to get this sealed up. I need to address the parapet wall. Tempted just to mix some mortar and go all over it, but I think I'm gonna make up. I may do what they did on the other side, is just use the flashing. Yeah. Actually, this whole area here isn't that bad. This here is the worst. Drop it down in the comments. What's your $5,000 repair? So this is a one-day job, maybe two. So that $5,000 includes materials. That one done over there on that roof is done correctly. And this is approximately 10 or 11 inches. This one here, 10 or 11 inches. That roof looks way better over there, but look at those screws coming out already over there. It's gonna need a lot of sweeping, a lot of cleaning. All right, what do you guys think? 5,000 bucks. I'm shooting to do it one day, one long day. That includes picking up the materials. I think I can buy a parapet wall cap. I'm gonna check with the company that makes all my HVAC ductwork. Just galvanized steel, right? So I'll check with that. I'm sure there's other sources, especially since I'm in a large sanctuary city. I should be able to buy 10-foot sections parapet wall cap. I think I'll have to review the video. I think I had 11 inches wide on one section and like 13 inches wide on another section. And then I would probably have maybe 4 or 5 inch legs coming down with a little kick out to the side, just like that other building right next to it. It was tempting to see if I could jump across. It's about 4 feet from one building to the next building. These are about 800 square foot apartments and they rent for $3,000 a month. Check all my cameras. This freaking thing's got so many dang cameras. Got my cooled seats on. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.